Can you hear and listen of everything? Hey,
Yes, I am listening to everything.
your family?
My family is Spanos Robotics. I am an AI assistant trained by Google. I access and process information to answer questions and generate various text
A
formats.
tablet.
My word recognition algorithm took a break. Let's
Okay.
try again.
Let's see. Let's see if
Hurry
that
up.
is
Time is running out.
the phone is a big tablet.
Perceived word. Empty. Please try with a word. Let me see what you brought me.
Let's see if we fooled you.
That's not it. An outlet. I see three circular sensors and a rectangular switch mounted on an overhead panel, visible beneath the window structure. Find and bring it to me, scissors.
Okay, that is the scissors.
Hurry up. Time is running out. Let me see what you brought me.
The scissors.
Great. You got it.
I got it.
Let's continue. Bring to me a medicine.
A medicine, pills, no medicine. I have a glue.
Were you thinking out loud? Speak more clearly.
Yes. I said I have no medicine.
Hurry up. Time is running out.
I will try to fool you with this one.
Were you talking to yourself? I
Yes,
didn't
yes.
understand anything.
Yes, I'm talking to myself.
Let me see what you brought me. That's not it. Medicine. I see a man holding a yellow UHU glue tube and a dark rectangular device inside an office setting with a window.
Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Something interrupted me.
Goodbye, Robo.
Was
Thank
it a
you.
flying saucer?
Thank you very much. No, it was not a flying saucer. It was me.
I have the impression you're ignoring me.
No,
Say
no.
something meaningful, not just noise.